What is up, everyone? The one that got away. Alright, welcome back, everyone. We are back with another trading live stream. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. How strong, get it, brother. Yes, sir, always, man, always. Let's get started. Going into the day, I am leaning more towards shorts, and the reason why this is because I do see that we are rejecting off a daily fair value gap here, but I'm just going based of what I always do, right? So this is previous daily candle close. Inside this previous daily candle close, there's most likely a 4-hour fair value gap or an hourly fair value gap here, right? And we ended up breaking these fair value gaps, closing below these fair value gaps. So therefore, I'm initiating that bearish price action might be in play here. So I want to see shorts here play out, because we are rejecting off of, we are breaking fair value gaps. But it just seems that we're also in this hourly fair value gap here also. So I want to see shorts here potentially play out, and I am looking for shorts. How do you calculate risk on alpha futures? You really can't. All you can do is just like, you can't you have to be in a trade first and then calculate risk. But how I do it personally is like, I'll just drag the positioning tool, and then I'll just grab the measuring tool and then measure how many ticks it is, and then I'll do it times 5. We just unverse H4 to the upside. This makes short low probability. No, I do see that. Like, I do see that we just inverse this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. But if you look here, we have a 4-hour order block that has it. We have a 4-hour order block here that we are currently reacting off of to right now. We have a 4-hour order block dropping down. We have a hourly FVG. So, plus we can still come up to OTE of this range here also, and it lines up with equilibrium here too. So that's what I'm saying. Shorts could be viable, like very good here in my opinion. So I want to start to look for shorts. Do you place stop loss in TP after you enter? Yes. Right now I'm not looking for anything. I'm looking for shorts, but nothing is popping my eye. For better or for worse. Shorts won't play until 25.510, perhaps. We'll see what happens. I think you can look for either way. Your short narrative makes sense, but H4 inverses off the daily bullish, so it makes sense. It seems conditions are low probability to me either way. Good luck trading. Yeah, so I'm saying, like, you could honestly, this morning when I got on, I was debating on taking this short. Like, everything lined up here perfectly in my opinion. Like, we had a order block here, fair value gap, everything was lining up pretty good here. I just did not take this short because I mean, you look at that, we have a 5-minute order block here also, which I didn't even look at. So I was debating on taking this short, but I didn't. What do you think about trading gold? I just never trade gold. I have no comment about it. I didn't even see this 5-minute order block. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken it. So right now we just wait. I kind of want to see a sweep of a high, and then potentially order block, and then enter. Opinion on top 6 new rules, dude. I don't honestly, all I know is that like it's pretty bad, in my opinion. I don't know why people still trade that firm, only because of Project X, bro. Like the OGs need to go back to Tradeovate, bro. That's all that is. Which I could go back to it also. I have loved you. But I heard like you can like once you request a payout on the zero activation ones, you got to make that buffer back and more to request another payout, which is like, bro, that's fucking crazy. Do you trade gold? I do not trade gold. I use Project X. Is it bad? Project X isn't bad at all. But like perhaps like going back to Trading View wouldn't hurt either. Not on the standard accounts though. Yeah, on the standard accounts it's regular, right? You pay activation fee or whatever. But I'm talking about the new rules for the no activations. Funded or payout? Yeah, I am funded. I have two 100K that are funded that I'm currently now on. I literally just got these. Congrats on the funded. Now you need that payout, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. It's hopefully I can get one. That's the plan, right, chat? That's the plan. Did those rules just come out? Yes. That's just for the zero activations on Top Step. But I placed my trade on Project X and watch it on Trading View. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Rules are the same on both accounts. I'm pretty sure it's different, right? Yeah, they are taking away Project X from Alpha. That's what I also heard. But like at the same time, like it doesn't like honestly, it's just a platform, bro. It really doesn't matter. I mean, it'd be nice just like go on the Trading View app on my phone instead of like going on the web browser and like instead of going on the web browser, I can just go on the Trading View on my app, connect my accounts. It's just it would be a lot easier. I'm about to enter I'm about to enter a trip. What's your bias, G? So I can fade you. All right, bro. I am looking for shorts, bro. No, they're the same. I think you're misinterpreting the rule. It's actually not a horrible rule as long as you get, as long as you take your max payouts. Perhaps, maybe. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know much about it. That's just what I've heard. So pay for Timoth? Maybe. Maybe. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I do want to look for shorts here. It's just more viable, in my opinion. What was it? Didn't you come over right? If we can get a candle closure above here, this would be good. Really got me thinking. The night we went drinking, stumbled in the house that didn't make it past the kitchen. Okay, so we don't. It looks like it's fine. This is good. Alright, if we can get a candle closure below here, this would be good for shorts. Best PD race so far. I've been using a lot of order blocks recently. If we can get a candle closure below this low here, this would look really good for shorts in my opinion. And then I'll enter off this order block. Okay, maybe not right now. I would wait. Because we currently do have SMT here. So right now, I'll just wait. $4K balance, 2K payout. You just need to be above the 2K to be eligible for payout. I see. Still, that's still a lot, bro. Low key, that's still a lot. All right, so we do have SMT here. This is the most recent SMT. What do you think about today's PA? It's all right. Honestly, it's all right. If we end up not creating this SMT, then like I'll re-enter. I'll take my rejection block trade here. If we end up taking out this low. Don't even know your power. I stand on defeat. Show me an open door. You go and slam it on me. I still wouldn't take this long here. Thoughts on quarterly theory? I mean, it worked for some people. I used to do it, but I don't think I was doing it right. But it was all right. If I message you on Discord, can you help me? Help you with what? On my heart. Like I just want to find the most probable trades possible. To be near you, baby. Hearts. Actually, the longs here don't look terrible. Oh wait, I lied. Yeah. I would just wait here. We're starting to chop. I don't know how much lots I need to put up for 1.1% risk. So it's pretty simple. So basically what I would do is find out how much drawdown you have, right? And then do 1%, and then go on Google, find out what 1% of that amount drawdown is. And then once that happens, find out how much you're able to risk. And then calculate, because like you won't know until you actually place a trade on Project X. That's the only problem, because it doesn't let you calculate your risk beforehand, right? It just gives you the points, right? So what you could do is grab your measuring tool. And then on the left side, it says 18, and then the percentage, and then 72, right? So what I do is like, I'll just grab the number that's on the very far right. So 76 here, and I'll just do it times 5. And then 76 times 5 is, it's 380. So that's how much I would be risking if I was to enter. If that makes sense. 0 payouts. Yo, what's up, Gibbo? What's up, G? Right now we just wait. But that's just the times 5 is only for micro, or is only for minis. I don't know what it is on micros. Are you getting that crib? Looks kind of old. No, I'm just like looking for investment properties. I'm not getting it. I ended up thinking about not getting it. But the whole plan is to like find investment properties now while I day trade also. How much did the house cost? The house costed only about 150K, but I could have definitely gotten like 140K maybe, or 138K. But like, I don't know. It just like it would honestly would have been a good investment if I really think about it. Because like, if you really think about it, The house was 149K, right? 149K. The house was 149K. And I honestly probably could have negotiated it down to like 140. And then rehab was probably like 20K. 20 to 25K. Because everything still looked kind of new. So like maybe 40, 50, 60. Like I probably could have gotten it to like 175K like total spent, and then probably like the house is probably could have been worth like two like 35 if I'm being generous. That's a big profit margin honestly, but it was a good profit margin. I did not buy that house. I did not buy a house, chat. Alright, I'm gonna have an entry at this order block here. This should be your propulsion block. Obviously, I would have gotten a loan. Let's be real. Most people get loans anyways, chat. Let's be real. Actually, no. Let's just enter back up here. See, look, I told you this order block would have been high probability, right? But now it matches with 0.62 of the range. So let's see if we can get back to this range. I'm now entering because we have no SMT at the lows. SMT here. So this would be my entry overall. A stop loss would be here. There's no 15-minute. We have 15-minute SMT at the highs. Like everything here is like this. Like these shorts look good, in my opinion. Let's see if we can get this entry again. Probably not, because we're already really balanced here. So this, we have a propulsion block here which could hold. This would be like kind of the trade idea here. OT isn't a confluence, but no, bro, it's just wick theory, bro. We're probably not gonna get entered here. We're probably not gonna get filled, but if we do, that's my entry. I'll look for another entry overall. But we do have this propulsion block. After tapping, oh no, actually it's not a propulsion block. I lied. Actually, no, this is a propulsion block. I'll put my stops like right here. I'll put my entry here, my stops. Because this should be your propulsion block here after tapping this order block. Try to imagine your reaction. Yeah, see, like shorts here look good. I was just concerned because there's SMT at the lows, but maybe I should have been worried about that because we did have the SMT at the 15-minute. That's on me. And plus, higher type of narrative was bearish also. And plus, we'll have a breaker here also. High, low, higher, high. Breaks the low here. Breaker. I'm anticipating this propulsion block to be respected. My stop loss is above, a little bit above it. Yeah, like high, low, higher, high. Breaks the low. Breaker here. Which we could easily reject off of. It ain't gonna feel you, bro. You gotta get in on the inverse for value ups. Nah, fuck that shit. Low key, fuck that. Nah, IVGs. No hate. Don't wanna let you out. That's all you're cooked, gang. Oh, I'm an IVG player. IVG. Like, bro. I'm playing. I'm playing, bro. It's a joke. But this this breaker could hold right here, yeah. Looks like it's holding though. Me. Guys, who lives in Michigan? I'm going to Flint, Michigan tomorrow. I'm going to Flint, Michigan tomorrow. Oh, not me. Yes, I do. Yo, I do. Not me. Dude, I'm going to Flint, Michigan tomorrow. So, we'll see what happens. I still see the messages you read. We have a breaker. We have a breaker for a value gap entry here, chat. Barney. This is a past evaluation. I'm on a qualified. We have a breaker overlapped with a fair value gap inside on the 2 minutes. So this is basically a unicorn setup. Why do you risk? Because I am on an actual funded account. You're pattern trading? Alright, bro. Alright, Cloudy. Alright, Cloudy, bro. Been watching since he was working at Target. Yo, on your YouTube videos, have you gotten a payout yet? No payout yet, bro. Oh my god, my fucking toe. The 2 minute. Like, we have like higher time frame there. Before you guys shit on me, I've already given up my higher time frame analysis play, right? Like, if you know, you know type shit, you know what I mean? Type shit. Yeah, see, look, we're dumping, bro. If we end up taking out this 15-minute low, then I'll, like, get out. Well, I've gotten a payout before. Switch to AMD, buddy. Like, shut your bitch ass up, boy. Shut your ass up. Switch to AMD. AMD, ah. Oh, I'm gonna wait for my inverse for value go. Like, bro. Like, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh, fuck. Oh, we got a 15-minute inverse for Michael. Like, bro. Like, leave me alone. Bro, I'm a hater, bro. What's the weirdest strat you tried? Probably quarterly theory, to be honest with you, in my opinion. How much was your first payout? It was like $900. Chill, guys. It's okay, guys. Let's chill. Let's chill. Good at goodbyes. I'm way too good at goodbyes. This is still a decent setup for me. Just looking at OTE. We'll be entering at OTE here too, so. Because technically this is your breaker here. I just don't think we're coming back up here. How are taxes looking? I haven't done taxes this month or this year yet. I recommend you use standard deviation. I know you're using a fib, but that's different. Now standard deviation, bro, it's so like I just don't know how to mark out my stuff. Bro, how do you get a payout then never get a payout again? Bro, I got lucky. Hold me the less that I cry. I just suck at marking standard deviations, honestly. Like, boom, standard deviation. Now what? Do we just enter off of that? No, you look for PD rate to the left, bruv. Oh, look for PD rate to the left. Okay, so what PD rate am I looking for? Oh, I don't know. CE of what? Of everything that lines up. That aligns. Okay, so CE of that everything aligns, right? So okay, so hey, bruv. You everything just going back to school? No, absolutely not. Lock in, my money's on you, not Timoth. Type shit. I'll look for a re-entry, but at the same time, I don't think there's an entry here for me right now. Time you hurt me, the less that I cry. Yeah, there's nothing here for me right now. It's just a lot of chop going down. I am not in shorts yet. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's somebody's true. Guys. At the end of the month, I'm giving away, or at the end of December, I'm giving away 2 Tradeify accounts, 2 Alpha accounts, an iPad, and guess what? I bought these shoes, okay? Really quick, while we're not getting filled. Okay. See, the logs out of the move. I bought these shoes a long time ago, right? And I don't wear them, and I can't sell them because they're not moving. These shoes aren't moving. I've had these for about a month. And I was wondering, for Christmas, at the end of the year, perhaps during the giveaway, I could give away these shoes. These are brand new still. These are brand new shoes. These are the, what is it? Bricks? Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. These are the Nike Air Max Zero QS 10.5s. US size. I don't know what you guys think about it, because I have no idea. Right? I'll probably throw these in the giveaway, honestly, because these are just like regular shoes. Keisha to Nigeria. Perhaps. Honestly, I think Nigeria people need it more. Honestly. No, those are men's shoes. Those are men's. And then I have women's shoes. And these are worth $900. Okay? And they're these shoes right here. They're okay looking in my opinion. These are like women boot shoes, or it could be men's shoes. I don't know. I'll probably give these away. I'll probably give both of these shoes away. Yeah, I have the receipt. I have the receipt and everything for these shoes. I have the receipt and everything for these shoes. They're the New York Barneys. Fear of God. Here's that. It's just like I have so much shit just laying around in my house. Like I just have a lot of stuff in my house. So I'm trying to get rid of a lot of these stuff. So basically, I didn't pay 900 for them. Basically, what happened was. I was buying shoes at the time, and I didn't like. I guess like I got fooled, honestly. And I ended up paying like a good chunk still, low key. All right, let's see what happens here. I was the method, bro. I'm not gonna lie. There'll be shorts. Hopefully that's the plan, chat. I'm still keeping this limit because we have no SMT at the lows here. So perhaps like I'm entering off of OTE too. We have a breaker overlapped with a 3-minute FEG here also. But if we get another entry here, I wouldn't be mad to take it. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Okay, hold up. Yeah, shorts, in my opinion, are still good here. I'd rather just wait here. My limit is still valid up there that I want to see. See what happens. I just have those shoes I could throw in for the Christmas giveaway, honestly. Found a guy told me I was a star. Hold on, I gotta check something. Alright, we're filled. Oh shit, where's my stop loss at? Alright. Oh, what am I doing? Where's my stop loss? For me. Ooh. I like this reaction so far. W reaction in the chat. W reaction in the chat. All I want is love and laugh. We have a fair value gap here. I'll go break even. I like this reaction. We're typing into this fair value gap here. My target is this low. All I want is for that to be okay. I want to see this reverse. I want to see. Oh, not reverse. I want to see this ran through. I want to see this ran through. This is funded. Oh, this looks good actually. Actually, stop loss can go. Actually, I'm gonna go break even here. But if we end up closing below this, bro, this would look even fucking better. Wait, no, it wouldn't. Oh no, I wouldn't. Yeah, break even's fine. Break even's fine. All right, like I said, I want to see a price close below this fair value gap here. Once we close below this fair value gap here, bro, we're probably gonna flush down to this fair value gap down here and then potentially lower here. That would be ideal. That would be ideal. That's not funded. That is funded, bro. That is funded. Probably gonna get stopped at a break even though. I'm really hoping we close below this fair value gap here. This would look very good. Cause like we have no fair value gaps over. We have no fair value gaps after this 1 minute. So if we can close below this fair value gap here, oh my gosh, that would actually look fire, bro. This would be your SMT. Okay, no SMT, but this would look like, oh my god, we're about to close below it. If we close below, this would look immaculate. Oh, it looks like we're not closing below it. Unfortunate. Like I said, this is the only 1 minute fair value gap that I want to see price run through. Oh my god, we broke below it. Oh my god, GG's. We're running down to this low. G fucking G's. There's a hopeless place to get you in the dark. Funded means shit. Everyone can be funded. That's very true. That's very true. This is like a full port. I guess. We just closed below this fair value gap. We have no fair value gap on the 2 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. And this is the only bearish fair value gap that is on the 1 minute here. So I want to see this get ran through. Let's just go a little bit up here. All right, I'm just gonna stop. I'm just gonna stop messing with it. Oh. Perhaps we get stopped at a break even, chat. Just the way you are. New York Einstein broski heard me type shit. He saw my stop. That's why. Do you have any payouts? I've got one payout before. Alright, look at that. We just had SMT at these highs. Just SMT at those highs. So we should respect this. All along it was a fever. This high should be respected now. Dropping down to lower, dropping down to low time frame here. We have a 5-second CISD order block here. Yeah, we should run. A cold sweat, I can't believe. We should be chilling here. I throw my hands in the air, stage on me something. Macro time coming too, looks like 10:50. Let's see. I want to see this flush down. I got paid out 900. Like, what are you talking about? Like $900 from my last payout? This rejection block should hold. If I don't stand, if I am, I mean, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I mean, yeah, that's not shit. Not really sure how to feel about it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I could be wrong. My stop is slightly above this high. Everyone's an ICT god. Yeah, we might get stopped out here. This inversion fair value gap just got ran through, rejecting off of it. Makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. Yeah, I got stopped out of break even. All good, all good. Just wait here. I'll wait for another entry here. If anything. Yeah, so sad. I do notice that we're tearing out a daily for value gap. Yes, of course. Bro, this dude haven't had, bro. Mods ban him, bro. Ban him, bro. This dude hasn't heard of adapting what the market gives you. Like, shut your bitch ass, bro. Oh my god, bro. Like, oh, everyone's an ICT god, bro. Oh my god, it actually makes me so like, it actually makes me so mad, bro. Everyone's an ICT god. Oh, should have looked at that daily for value. Oh, should have looked at that rejection block. Like, bro, shut your ass, bro. The weak-minded trader would have made for it. Perhaps. I'll just wait here. The only reason why I'm bearish is because if you look here, the previous daily candle right here, which is November 26th, we ended up closing above, right? So we got a the November 28th candle, we ended up closing above. So then I'm like, okay, look, bullish price action might look good, right? Drop down to the 4-hour. Theoretically, this candle here should support price to go higher, right? And guess what? We ended up inversing all these bearish fair value or all these bullish fair value gaps. And I did notice that we did break, or we did disrespect this 4-hour bearish fair value gap, right? But if you go here, we have an hourly fair value gap, and also we have a 4-hour order block here also. So that's the only reason why I am bearish, right? That's the only reason why I was looking for shorts in the first place. Yeah, I mean, honestly, like, the only reason why I wasn't bullish, like, I know, like, we tapped into this daily fair value gap. I know we tapped into the daily fair value gap here for sure. Like, no doubt about that. Like, it's pretty blatant here, right? But I don't see any SMT. I don't see anything here. Like, I don't really see much here. And plus, like, we have no SMT like at these lows between ESN and Q right now. So that's all I'm saying. Like I'm like not like it's not validating me. Bye now. Yes, we do. And no, it can QSMT at 943. Yeah, I'm talking about like recent, like after we had SMT at the highs. Like I want to see like another SMT like form after we had created bearish SMT, if that makes sense. I'd rather just wait here. I would just wait. Bless me. But I'm still missing you, and I can feel the end of this. I just wanna feel your kiss against the lips, and all this time is passing by. Let's see. I'm trading InQ. I miss you and I can't sleep. Right after coffee or right after candy. Sleep. Do you miss me like I miss you? Fucked around and got attached to you. Friends can break your heart too. Let's see what happens here. If we can get another idea here, it'd be nice. Just don't love me, but your friends don't know. 3 more days, just hope. Yeah, no facts, bro. Good job though. That's good, bro. 3 more days till payout. W's in the chat. Let's see what happens here. Like I said, we're still in this 4-hour order block, coupled with the hourly fair value gap. But I do see that we are like taking out these lows. You know what? I just miss you and you. I've joined late. How was your funded account? How did you get a payout? My funded account is up $72 right now. I got a break-even trade, and not a payout yet. Let's see. Let's see if we can get like another setup here. And I will never be her. I don't need all you want, you never see. We had a 3-minute order block here. You don't give a damn about me. Let's see. If we can get a candle closure above this black line, it'd be nice. All right, now I want to see price order block this. Okay, this would be kind of a risky trade if we do take it, if we do close black below here. But I'm okay with this risk. If we do close back below it though. Working on the 1 minute here. Against my lips, and now all this time is passing by. I would be okay with this risk. Just go on the 1. That's good. That's what I like to see. Some like this would be my order block here. I'm not gonna enter yet. I'm gonna wait until this 5-minute candle here closes. What if you had it all with nobody to call? Stop losses here. I'm willing. This is a. I'm willing to risk this. I got a pretty good fill actually. Pretty decent fill overall, if you ask me, chat. I'm targeting this 5-minute gap. I'm only risking $45 here. Bro, I got like I literally top ticked that to the T. never be your mother's favorite. I'm in shorts, but I might get stopped out here. Alright. Theoretically, like, my stops, I would have wanted my stops at this high. But, oh my, looks like we just stopped me out. And then just spanning lower, maybe. This is a nice rejection candle here. It's fine. It's all good. I'll probably just get off for the day. You were up 200. I was not up $200, bro. The RP and L, that's like after. That's the realized, right? And the one on the left right here, this one is like current. This is like oh, profits were taken here. Yeah, no, but $84. Yeah, sure. I guess it's like, well, that's not ideal, but it's cool. I'm still happy. FOMO. How did I FOMO, bro? All right, bro. You guys are actually like bum cluts, bro. That makes me so mad. All right. Well, I'm probably just gonna get off for the day. My bias is either wrong, or I'll look for another trade entry later. No McDonald's later. Bro. I'm chilling. Like, I'm chilling right now, low key. But the reason why, but overall, it was okay. Perhaps my bias was just incorrect, maybe, or maybe I just went break even too early here. Like I said, this rejection block is still valid. CE of this rejection block, so this is still valid. Like, I could probably enter again and like be chilling, but I just don't know. I can't, bro. I can't take another trade. Or right here, at least. Like, shorts here don't look bad. Like, I got entered, like, up here. Like, shorts here don't look bad. To, like, this low, at least. Or, like, see if we have any SMT here. Like, I would want it to... Alright, okay. You know what? I'm crashing out. I'm crashing the fuck out. We're done! Alright, GG's, guys. I gotta get off or else I'm gonna crash. Literally. Alright, nah. I'm not taking a stab. I'm not entering here. I'm a bottom tick guy now. I'm a bottom and top tick guy. I can't middle tick anymore. Alright. I gotta get off. Alright. I'm probably gonna get off, get some food in my system, and then come back on the charts later. But again, guys, I will be in Flint, Michigan tomorrow. So, yeah. Other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And, again, make sure you guys use code Q. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.